Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Gab Lab. Imagine this. You are in a Zoom meeting. Your boss asks you a question, but you don't understand. Your mind is blank. Don't panic. In this video, Dylan shows you how to survive your first meeting in English with 7 simple phrases. Let's go.
Okay, Dylan, you can do this. Just stay calm.
Hi, Dylan. Can you hear me?
Hi, Chris. Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me?
Yes, perfect. How is your morning going?
It's going well. Very busy, but good. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. A bit tired, but also good. Perfect. Let's talk about work. We have a very important meeting next week.
Sorry, Chris. Could you speak a little slower, please?
Oh, of course. No problem. Next week, on Wednesday, we have a meeting with a new client.
Wednesday, okay. What time is the meeting?
The meeting is at 10 a.m.
Is that 10 a.m. London time or New York time?
Good question. It's 10 a.m. New York time. Sorry.
All right, 10 a.m. New York time. And what is the name of the client?
The client is Global Tech Solutions.
Could you spell that for me, please? I want to write it correctly.
Sure. Global Tech. Tech. Solutions.
Global Tech Solutions. Thanks, I've got it.
Perfect. I need you to prepare a small presentation, just 5 slides.
5 slides. Okay. What is the topic of the presentation?
Just a summary of our progress. You know, the numbers from January and February.
So, a summary of January and February. Only 5 slides.
Exactly. Do you need help with anything?
Let me think. No, I think I'm good. Can I send it to you on Friday?
Friday is perfect. Thank you for your time, Dylan.
You're welcome, Chris. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
I was very nervous, but the meeting went well. I made it.
Perfect. Now you know the common phrases for an online work meeting. For example, can you hear me? I can hear you loud and clear. We have a very important meeting next week. What time is the meeting? What is the name of the client? I need you to prepare a small presentation. Just 5 slides. These phrases will serve you well in your next meeting. Now, let's do a short test with 3 questions to check your understanding. Remember, don't forget to write your answers in the comments. I will give you a heart if they are all correct. Let's start. 1. When is the meeting with the client? A. Wednesday. B. Friday. 2. What time is the meeting, New York time? A. 10 a.m. B. 10 p.m. 3. What is the topic of the presentation? A. A summary of January and February. B. A summary of the whole year. And that's all for today. If Dylan can do it, you can do it too. Meetings in English are scary, but with these phrases, you are ready.
Now I have a challenge for you. Choose one phrase from today's video and write it in the comments. I will check your spelling. Also, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more real-life English situations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye!